to Banana. In today's video, we are going to be making a cake, a Halloween cake, a Frankenstein Halloween cake. I'm so excited. My mom is too. You will need a measuring cup, eggs, to be precise 3, vegetable oil, and a mixing cup. You will also need this. And this is just optional though. You can use your ingredients at home. Let's get started. Next, what you want to do is fill up your measuring cup with 1 cup of water, perfect, and pour it in. The redness starts to come up. Well, the oil is half a cup, so let's put it. Let's see half. Okay, half a cup is filled. Let's pour it in. Yep, this is half a cup. Just making sure. Last thing before we start mixing, we add our 3 eggs. Let me do it. 1, open, and then put it. Now we are going to mix it. We are going to stir it with this. Let's stir. Now we are going to prep the pan. First, what we will do is pour oil on it. Let me do that. Have it in my cup. Now, once you spread, now you have to spread it all over the pan. Now, here comes the satisfying part. Time to pour it. Heavy. Yep, I think that'll be enough for a strawberry cake. Okay guys, now we're gonna put it into the oven. We'll see you in 15 minutes. So, it's the next day, and this is how the cake looks. Our strawberry cake. Now, in order to make Frankenstein, we need green fondant. And this is what we have here. I'll open it and even show you. Green.
Ew.
Also, we have frosting. Icing. Whatever you like to call it. There. Now, let's lay this out on here. Guys, look at this fondant. It's short enough. Comment down below what happened to the fondant. Now, we're going to roll it into one long rectangle. It's not staying in its place. Guys, just telling you, this is my first time doing this.
Gonna go turbo.
the cake with the fondant, and now it's time to make his hair. So we are going to be using this to make his hair. It's cookie icing. Let's go.
T-U-R-B-O, let me take control. We are on a roll.
Now we are going to be doing Hulk's face. We changed from Frankenstein to Hulk because this looks like Hulk. Wait 1 second. So let's get started. So we're cutting marshmallows to make his teeth.
This is how we go.
So here's the finale look. How does it look? Comment down below. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, please like, turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you on a new video. Peace.